Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Dean Chase here, and someone sent a video. Apparently, the legal counsel of Zaldico has had a press briefing a couple of days ago, and we're going to do a blind reaction to it. Let's do it. Let's go.
Sir, may plano po si former representative ko to file libel charges against those who said or testified sa Senate?
Would if we could. We should. Pero distraction lang yan at this time. At this time, distraction lang. Nakakainis eh. Lalo na marami mga vloggers na hindi based dito. Abusados eh. Ha? Dean Chase. Ayan,
Okay, he said my name, Dean Chase. So, first of all, keep my name off your filthy mouth because I don't want my name being uttered by someone who's defending Zaldico, a demon. Alright, now secondly, ang pangit mo. Ang mukha niya parang ano, no? Parang, anong tawag nito? He has this villain look talaga na kahit wala siyang kasalanan, alam mo talaga na may ginagawang masama.
abusado. Nakikita pa yung video niya na I dare you to sue me. I'm in the US. I'm protected. Hindi patas lumaban eh. Okay,
and secondly, I did not say I dare you to sue me, I'm in the US kay Zaldico nor sa legal counsel ni Zaldico. I said that a couple of months back and this was during the midterm elections. I said that to Gwendolyn Wakwak Garcia, not to you, whoever you are.
Yabang mo because nandun ka eh. Diba? If you stand by your convictions, pumunta ka dito and you utter those statements para level yung playing field. Hindi yung nagtatago ka sa US.
Okay. Hindi po ako nagtatago sa US, may trabaho po ako dito. My life is here in the United States. Wala po akong buhay dyan sa Pilipinas. And alam nyo po na yung sinasabi nyo po na hindi po ako patas lumaban. Sino ba sa atin ang nagtatago ngayon? Di ba si Zaldico? Di ba kasi nga may kaso siya, nangulimbat siya ng bilyon na pera ng mga Pilipino. Kaya nga nagtatago siya eh. So sino ang hindi patas lumaban? Ako si Zaldico, bobo ka ba?
Yan pa, yung linileak yung flight details niya, no? We're not conceding na tama yun, ano? Pero violation yun ng Data Privacy Act. I will sue.
Sabi niya, ayan pa, nililik ang flight details niya. Pero we're not conceding that this is right or correct. Pero nasabi mo na na nililik ang flight details niya. Bobo mo talaga.
Kung malaman namin kung sino, we will sue kung sino man yung nag-leak nun sa Emirates and wherever. Yeah, without conceding na valid. No? Bastos eh. Yan na nga yung masamang nangyayari.
Sir, to clarify, the last time you talked to him, you were under the impression that he's in Boston?
No. The last official information that I know is that he was in Boston. I'm not saying that he was in Boston last night when I talked to him. He might be. I'm just saying I don't know.
Sir, when was he in Boston?
When was he in Boston? I think. Yeah, for his medical. I think. 3 January, December, October, September.
Is it September? Is it October? Can you give us a specific?
You want a precise answer? I can't answer. That's why I'm giving you an estimate.
Liar, pants on fire! Oh my God, napakasinungaling nitong abogado na to. Sir, with all due respect, Attorney Roy Rundian, you know for a fact that Zaldico has booked a flight on the 9th of October from Madrid to Dubai, then from Dubai to Singapore on the 11th of October. Kaya nga sinasabi mo, nalilik ang flights niya, pati ang seat number, di ba? Kasi alam mo na may flight siya papuntang Singapore. May connecting flight siya from Madrid, Spain to Dubai, and then Dubai to Singapore. Napakasinungaling nitong abogadong to, Diyos ko Lord.
September to October.
September or October. I'll get back to you. No. Sige. Sure. I don't know whether he flew to Spain.
Because you said that whoever did is flight details, you're going to sue whoever that is.
Hmm.
But is that an admission that you really believe?
No, I said without admitting that.
That is an admission. Nahuli ka tuloy. You literally just admitted that those flights are his.
Accuracy, no? Kasi you're not supposed to passport details naka-leak. Diba? Seat number naka-leak. Ay yung passport na lang. Would you give me your passport details? You would not, di ba? I'm not gonna give you mine. Yun na lang, may data privacy leak na eh.
Napakasinungaling ng abogadong to. Saan to nila nakuha? Hindi pa marunong magsinungaling. Sabi niya, without admitting if it's true or not, you literally just admitted that those flights were his. Tanga, bobo. Wala. Ayan. Wala ka na, Zaldi ko. Kusan nyo.